Hello and welcome back to our channel, 5 Men Garden Pro. If you are looking to transform your garden into a cozy and rustic paradise, you are in the right place. Today, we are sharing the latest vintage decorating ideas to inspire your garden decor. Vintage decorations are perfect for adding charm and character to your garden. From old wooden crates and vintage bicycles, the possibilities are endless. These unique pieces add a touch of nostalgia to your outdoor space and create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Rustic garden ideas are all about creating a natural and organic look, incorporating elements like stone, wood, and plants into your garden decor creates a relaxing and peaceful environment. We will show you some easy and affordable ways to add rustic charm to your garden. DIY garden decor ideas are a great way to add your personal touch to your outdoor space, whether it's a DIY platter or a homemade garden sign. These projects are fun and easy to do. We will show you some creative and unique DIY ideas to inspire you. Creating a cozy sitting area is essential for any garden. It's the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. There are some comfortable and stylish seating options that will make your garden the ultimate relaxation spot. Thanks for watching. We hope these latest vintage decoration ideas and rustic garden ideas have inspired you to transform your garden into a beautiful outdoor space. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more outdoor inspiration.